Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create a mobile-friendly burger menu navigation bar right inside Webflow. If you've ever wanted your site's navigation to look sleek and work perfectly on smartphones, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have a functional nav bar that not only looks great on mobile, but is also super easy for your visitors to use. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your Webflow project and head over to the Add Elements panel. This is that little plus sign you see in the top left corner of the designer. Here you'll find all the foundational pieces you can use to build your layout, and for today we're going to locate the navbar element. Drag that navbar right onto your canvas. The navbar comes pre-built with some handy features for responsiveness, but we're going to customize it to really make it shine. Now let's make this navigation feel like it truly belongs to your brand by adding a logo. Over on the left side of the navbar, you'll usually see a placeholder or a generic bit of text. Click on that area and then look over to the Style panel on the right side of your screen. Under the Background section, there's an option to add an image. This is where you'll upload or select your logo. Adding your actual logo gives the navigation that professional polish and anchors your site's identity even on those small mobile screens. Next up, it's time to preview how your menu will look on a phone. At the top of Webflow's designer, you'll see options to toggle between desktop, tablet, and mobile views. Go ahead and click the mobile icon. This step is essential because a burger menu is all about creating a clean, user-friendly experience on smaller devices. Don't worry if the layout shifts a bit, that's totally normal, and it's a huge advantage of using Webflow's responsive tools. Now in the mobile preview, look for that classic burger icon, the three little horizontal lines that we all associate with mobile navigation. Try clicking on it. By default, Webflow should show you a simple drop-down menu, but let's make it even more interactive. With the burger icon selected, go over to the Interactions panel. This is where the real magic happens if you want your menu to animate or react in special ways. If you're new to interactions, it might look a little overwhelming, but stick with me. At this stage, you could add a custom trigger or write a script for more advanced behaviors, but for the sake of keeping things straightforward and time efficient, I'll just show you how to use Webflow's built-in drop-down trigger. Click the little plus button under Element Trigger, then choose the option that says Navbar or Drop-Down Opens. This settings panel lets you control exactly what happens when your visitors tap the burger icon on their phones. Play around with these triggers, opening, closing, or animating the dropdown until you're happy with how it looks and feels. And that's it, you now have a clean, mobile-friendly burger navigation menu in Webflow, ready to make your site easier to use for everyone on the go. If you run into any snags, remember, it sometimes takes a little fiddling to get everything positioned and behaving just right, but trust me, it's worth it for that smooth user experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's another Webflow trick you want to learn about. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss out on more web design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.